West Bengal Chief Minister Subhendu Adhikari has said that the issue of illegals is not about a new law but the implementation of existing Foreigners Act. He says that alleged infiltrators must leave immediately and that it is Bangladesh's responsibility to take those illegals who have crossed the borders into India, in particular in Bengal, to take them back. Chief Minister of West Bengal says that Bangladesh has already indicated willingness to accept its citizens and said police have been instructed to not send such individuals to jail or holding areas as they are being called, questioning the use of Indian resources for illegal immigrants. Subhendu Adhikari has also warned that strict action will follow if these people do not leave on their own accord.
ये एग्जिस्टिंग फॉरेनर्स एक्ट है, कोई नया कानून नहीं है और ये लोग चला जाना चाहिए और उनका बांग्लादेशी जो नागरिक है उनका लेने का जिम्मेदार तो है उनका। तो जब हम लोग यहाँ से बोल रहा था तब वहाँ से उनका जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है मैं देखा था सोशल मीडिया में और यूट्यूब में आया जो उन्होंने बताया जो बांग्लादेशी है वो तो हम लोग ले लेगा, लेकिन ये लोग को पुलिस को हम लोग बता दिया जेल में भेजने का जरूरत नहीं है। देश के रुपया में खाना खाएगा, कपड़ा देगा, मेडिसिन देगा, एक दामाद है ये लोग।
Ridhita, now Subhendu Adhikari has said on multiple occasions, detect, deport, delete is his stated policy since taking over the reins of Bengal administration. Now we are seeing yet another assertion of that policy itself.
BJP-led government had made his government in West Bengal. We had seen this in their manifesto very clearly about the 3D rule, which is the detect, delete and deport. And at this point, we had also seen that soon as SIR had begun, the practice had begun in this exercise, thousands and hundreds of Bangladeshis queuing up outside the Hakimpur border. Today again, when we speak about holding centers that has been announced by the government already, we see in Malda and Murshidabad, especially those centers have been instructed or announced by the government to bring up these holding centers. And this fear psychosis is again worked upon the people. At this point, I'm standing here at the Hakimpur border that you can see, and the visuals that my camera person Arnab shows to you is the hundreds and thousands of Bangladeshis who have queued up again in this border just in the fear of holding centers. These people, speaking to Times Now, has stated that they got themselves saved during the SIR process, but however, with the strict law of the government, they're unsure if their stay will be limited in India, especially Bengal. We'll speak to few people as to how did they come to India and where were they staying, what were the official documents that they were holding. दीदी, आप लोग इधर जो आए हो, कैसे रह रहे थे? आप कहाँ से हो? पहली बात
আপনি তো একবার জিজ্ঞেস করেছেন।
आप कहाँ से हो?
আমি বাংলাদেশি হই।
बांग्लादेश से हो?
हाँ।
कैसे आए हो उधर?
इधर एमनी पते আসলাম।
दलाल को पैसे दिए?
না না।
कैसे रह रहे थे उधर?
कैसे रहते? এমনি আসছি।
এখানে কিভাবে থাকছিলেন?
এমনি।
এখন ফিরে যাচ্ছেন ভয়?
এমনি এই যে উঠোই দেবে বলে বাংলাদেশে রাখবে না বলে এই জন্য আমরা ফিরে যাচ্ছি।
Well, so what she told that now since the government has made a rule that they are not going to allow any illegal immigration out here, therefore they are running back, and that is what they're saying. You can see the visuals of so many women, children and men who have queued up again in the fear of the holding centers that have been announced by the government. You understand that this is very critical because the government says there is zero tolerance about illegal immigration out here, and therefore we are out in
the question that everybody is now asking is how were they living in West Bengal for all these years? In fact, you have gone on the ground, you've spoken to many of them who've been in India, who claim that they have been here for years at end. How did they manage to fly under the radar in previous verification drives that would have taken place? Why is it only now that we have realized, or they have realized, that their status in India is often illegal and that they must go back to Bangladesh? Here is the ground report that Ridhita got us.
हमारी मौजूदगी फिलहाल हकीमपुर चेक पोस्ट पर है और तस्वीरें आज भी वही है। फर्क बस इतना है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में सरकार बदल गई है। हमारे पीछे जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं वो हर कोई बांग्लादेशी नागरिक है जो किसी न किसी समय जो है बांग्लादेश से भारत में आया था और अवैध तरीके से न सिर्फ रह रहे थे लेकिन सालों से यहाँ पर अपना घर बसाकर काम भी कर रहे थे। लेकिन अब पश्चिम बंगाल में जो है सरकार बदल गई है। बीजेपी की सरकार बनने के बाद ये साफ कर दिया गया है एक ऑर्डर को जारी करते हुए कि बंगाल के हर जिले में होल्डिंग सेंटर बनाए जाएंगे और उस होल्डिंग सेंटर में रोहिंग्या हो या फिर कोई बांग्लादेशी नागरिक जो यहाँ पर रहते हैं उन्हें जो है होल्डिंग सेंटर में रखा जाएगा और फिर उसके बाद उन्हें बांग्लादेश वापस भेज दिया जाएगा। और हमारे पीछे जो है बीएसएफ की चेक पोस्ट है। एक एक परिवार जो है उन्हें उस तरफ ले जाया जा रहा है और बीएसएफ के अधिकारी जो है यहीं से उनकी तमाम जानकारी ले रहे हैं, उनकी जितने भी क्रीडेंशियल्स है उसे रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं और एक बार जो है उनको हरी झंडी दी जाएगी कि इनको उस पार भेजा जा सकता है या नहीं, उसके बाद ही भेजा जाएगा। मुख्यमंत्री शुभेंदु अधिकारी ने पहले ही साफ कर दिया है कि इस बीजेपी की नई सरकार जो है वो डिटेक्ट, डिलीट और डिपोर्ट करेंगे 3D, यानी कि अगर कोई रोहिंग्या या फिर अवैध तरीके से कोई बांग्लादेशी नागरिक भारत में रह रहा है, खास तौर पे अगर पश्चिम बंगाल में रह रहा है, तो उन्हें जो है पहले डिटेक्ट किया जाएगा, सूची से उनका नाम डिलीट किया जाएगा और आखिरी में उन्हें अपने देश जो है डिपोर्ट कर दिया जाएगा।
At this point, I'm standing here at the Hakimpur border, which is in the district of North Chobbish Pargona. And the visuals that I show you of here are the Bangladeshis who have been illegally staying in Kolkata, West Bengal and other parts of West Bengal in disguise of Indians over the years. Soon as SIR had begun, hundreds and thousands of Bangladeshis had lined up and queued up here at this border to just cross the border line and reach their state, their country, Bangladesh that side. This time again we see the same procedure, the same way in which Bangladeshis have lined up and queued up out here in the Hakimpur border of the North Chobbish Pargona to return to Bangladesh soon after the holding center's announcement, and tough stunts such like that has been announced by the new government, by the Shubhendu Adhikari. This is the new West Bengal government, the BJP-led government that has come into force in West Bengal, and soon after that the decision of holding centers have been taken into account. And soon after hearing to this, we see that hundreds and thousands of Bangladeshis, just like how they had gripped out here during the SIR process, have again come back to this same border to cross the border. At this point, I'm standing here at the Hakimpur border, which is in the district of North Chobbish Pargona. And the visuals that I show you of here are the Bangladeshis who have been illegally staying in Kolkata, West Bengal and other parts of West Bengal in disguise of Indians over the years. We'll speak to a few of them to get an understanding how were they staying here in this state, this country over the years. Dada, आप कहाँ से आए हो? दादा, आप जो मुंह छुपा रहे हो, आप कहाँ से आए हो? मैं पूछ रही हूँ, ये जो SIR की प्रक्रिया चालू था उस टाइम आप लोगों के पास पेपर था जो इंडिया में रहने के लिए लगता है?
ना, किसी
कुछ नहीं था
ना।
फिर कैसे बच गए SIR के प्रोसेस में?
पता नहीं कैसे बच गए, लेकिन मेरा पास भी कोई पेपर नहीं है। एक ट्रीटमेंट का पेपर है, वही है।
See the ladies out here, they are saying that during the process of SIR, they all do not have an understanding as to how were they saved, but they were saved. चोरी से रास्ते से जा रहे हो?
चोरी से रास्ता जाएगा, एक बार आ गया सदर जाएगा, चोरी से आ गया।
चोरी से आ गया, चोरी से जाएगा। They are running away because they now fear that there won't be any free stay for the illegal immigrant out here in West Bengal, and that is why they are running back. This is Rita Chatterjee with my camera person Arnav Chingorai reporting from the Hakimpur borders of the North Chobbish Pargona for Times Now.